my gosh, what time is it? It looks like it's 2 a.m. Oh no, I've got to go home. Why didn't your mom just let you stay at boarding school? Everything would have been so much easier. Yeah, but I don't know why. I need to go home before she realizes I'm out. Okay, message me when you get there, please. I want to make sure you get home safe. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, babe, good night. Finally, I'm back. Everybody's still asleep. I just need to get to my room. Ruff! Ruff! Oh my gosh, keep it down! Why is Dot barking so much? Whew, I thought someone was trying to rob us. Here, come with me. Phew! I made it back safely. Let me just text Cole. The next day. It's time to get ready for school. I'm so tired. And I don't feel so good. I feel terrible. Did I eat something expired? Let me go see if Zoe's... I feel sick. I can't go to school today. Okay, dear. Try getting some rest and I'll go get the medicine for you. Ugh. Why do I feel so weird? No way. Am I hungry? I was throwing up all day. I need pickles and ice cream. Oh my gosh. I think I'm dying. Huh? I want pickles and ice cream at the same time. That's disgusting. I know. Wait, what? Isn't that like pregnancy thing? Don't say that! Ugh, I don't care. I need it. Let me just go and get it. Okay, just a quick midnight snack. Yes, pickles. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Ice cream. This is amazing. It's sour and creamy and crunchy and smooth all at the same time. Zoe? Hi. Why are you sitting in the kitchen eating pickles and ice cream at 2 a.m.? I was hungry after throwing up all morning. Yeah, I'm recovering. Give me that. Was the dinner I made not enough? Okay, yeah, I just couldn't go to bed without trying this. Zoe, are you hiding something from me? No. Go back to bed. Okay. Okay, people don't just randomly crave pickles and ice cream. Unless... No, I'm not pregnant. I'm only 16. Hey, are you feeling any better? No. Did you stop throwing up? Yeah. Did you eat anything? Pickles and ice cream? Zoe, don't. You need to take a test. No, I don't, Zoe. I said no. Zoe. Sorry, Mr. Sahur. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. This isn't normal. You're fine. You're just sick. Right? Right? Hey, later after practice, meet me outside the skate park. Why? I stole a pregnancy test from my mom's bathroom. A pregnancy test? Yeah. Cole, I told you I'm not. We're just kids. I'm not doing that. But I already have it. Fine, but it's gonna be negative. I'm just sick. I swear it was in here this morning. You already stole one pregnancy test. What's another? I didn't steal it. It's for the whole family, just like toilet paper. No one else in your family would need it, Cole. She has like 5. Why does she have 5? I don't know. She's prepared. For what? A group project? Okay, I found it. Give it to me. Are you sure you don't want to? If you say wait, I'm actually gonna pass away. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Zoe, it's positive. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Let me see. These things can be wrong sometimes. I'm pregnant, Cole. We're teenagers. Yeah, I noticed. We can't even drive. That makes 3 of us. This isn't funny. I wasn't joking. What are we gonna do? I don't know. You always know. Yeah, well, today I don't. You're not eating. I'm not hungry. You were starving at 2 a.m. I get random hunger and random vomiting. It's called being sick and sneaking out. Oh my gosh, can you not start? What's going on with you? Nothing. Stop saying that. Because nothing's happening. You expect me to believe that? Yes. This is not normal. I said I'm fine. You've been fine for days. Then stop asking. Stop. Come here. I'm tired. Now. Are you pregnant, Zoe? Why would you even? Because I'm not stupid. Answer me. Answer me, Zoe. Yes. Oh my God. Can you not do that? How long? I don't know. Who is the father? You know who. That boy. He has a name. You think this is a joke? No. Because this isn't funny, Zoe. I know. You ruined your life. Stop saying that. What did you think was gonna happen? I wasn't thinking. Clearly. I'm not doing this again. Again what? Raising a child while my child makes the same mistakes. I didn't ask you to raise it. Good, because I'm not. What? If you think you're grown enough for this, then go be grown somewhere else. You're kicking me out? I'm not raising another baby in this house. It's not your baby. Exactly. Go to him, since he's so important. You don't mean that. I do. Go. What happened? She knows. And she told me to leave. What? Yeah. Zoe, I'm so sorry. Can we just go? Yeah, of course. Well, you look exactly like I expected. Mom, come in. Don't hover on the doorstep. It's not a shelter. You're younger than I thought. Thanks? It wasn't a compliment. Before we go any further, I know you stole my pregnancy test. Don't lie. You're terrible at it. And I assume it confirmed what I already expected. You're pregnant. Yeah. How far? I don't know. Of course you don't. So, here's where we are. You have nowhere else to go. I didn't say that. You didn't have to. You arrived with a bag. You can stay here. Thanks, Mom. On one condition. What condition? The baby. When it's born, we adopt it. Mom? This is not a discussion. You're serious? Completely. You don't even know me. I know enough. This is not a situation you're equipped to handle. Wow. Don't be offended. Be realistic. So I just live here and then give you my baby? In simplified terms, yes. That's insane. What's insane is thinking you can raise a child at your age with no stability. I didn't say I was. Exactly. This way, the child has a proper life. And what? I just disappear? You move on. I don't think that's how that works. It's exactly how it works. Every day. Mom, can we just slow down? No, she just got here. And I'm being very clear so there's no confusion later. And if I say no, then you don't stay here. Zoe, don't. Fine. Are you sure? I said fine. Good. The guest room is upstairs and dinner is at 7. And Zoe, no more sneaking around. I'm sorry. For what part? All of it. Yeah, your mom's kinda scary. Yeah, she talks like she's closing a business deal. She kinda is. Great, I'm the business. Okay, this is fine. Well, it's not fine, but it's happening. We're hosting a baby shower. Already? Planning takes time. It's not even appearances matter. If this is happening, it will be done properly. Try to look presentable. Honey, can I ask why I'm in a pink suit if I'm voting for a boy? Because I have a blue dress and we can't both be blue. One of us has to be pink and it's gonna be you. Why didn't you just get a pink dress? Because I'm too fat. This baby is so big it's gonna start paying rent any day now. This suit makes me look gay. Ugh, I don't know. Go talk to your brother or something. Sup, younger bro? Wait, why are you wearing white?
Because I'm voting for a genderless baby.
You can't answer that. You need to vote for a boy or for a girl.
I want to be original, so I'll vote for a sock.
What? Stop saying that.
Cole, you're so gullible. It's okay. My tie is on the ironing board. There's no pink or blue suit, and that's why Mom said to wear this. I look like an Apple Pencil.
You should be happy you weren't made to wear a pink suit like me. You look like a Ken doll. Really? Pinky up. Do, 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 do. Oh, Hi, Zoe's friend. How are you doing?
This outfit sucks. It's so itchy. I'm gonna rub off all the glitter on my pants right now.
Well, beauty is pain.
Why do you look like a boy kisser? Why are you asking that? Why did you put on a flower? Like, do you even need that?
It's not me. Zoe chose it. It's not that bad.
Well, Zoe did a not so bad job at making you look gay.
I don't envy your future husband at all. A wife should be good, kind, feminine, nurturing, Mysterious?
Right.
I'm not talking about that. You don't understand. Mistress like attractive.
Please, Cole. You don't understand either.
Everybody, let's go.
Hi everyone, it's me, the guest of honor, currently speaking to you from my very cozy one-room apartment. I just wanted to thank you for being here today. I can't see you yet, but I can feel all the love already. I have a feeling I'm going to be very spoiled. I can't wait to meet my mom and dad. From what I can tell, they already
It's a boy! It's happening! Cole, do something! I'm giving birth! What's going on here? I'm giving birth! Oh dear, let's go to a hospital. Faster! Hurry up and carry her, you tea towel. Get out of here. This is an operating room.
You get off. Get that baby out.
Faster! Okay, so it's been 30 years since I delivered a baby.
This is a job for me.
Finally!
Why is it black?